So, hello champion, a very good morning to you all, and I hope you are doing well. And today is Saturday, so it is my off day in my office. So it's around 9:50, and I am back to my routine that I have promised with me. You can see the sunlight, the ray of sunlight, I guess. This is, yeah, let it be. So, how are you doing today? Are you doing good? And the way you have planned that thing will be executed, it is being executing or not? If it is not executing in the way that you have thought, then you should rethink about your plan and you should reconsider your plan in a better way, because somewhere we have lost all the hope that things that I have thought for me is not making kind of sense, is not executing in a proper way. So we have to rethink about the plan. We should not change the plan. There is a thin line between to change the plan and to reconsider the plan. If you will change the plan, then it simply means that you had give up. You had give up and you lost. Yeah, giving up is never the best option for you. You have to rethink, you have to re-innovate your plan in a better way, that the way it can be done. Okay, so we had to do that thing. I think you should consider about the best case scenario that will help you to achieve that goal. And today is Saturday, so there is, you can see a less number of people in the park. If I will show you, maybe one or two. But yeah, one thing I must say, that the locality is quite good, and it is the best decision by the government that they had allotted the park in the different sector for the people who is like residing there, who is residing here or living here. And the park is the best way. You can say the cricketers are, the future cricketers are also heading towards their nets that is installed there. And I will show you in the later part of my video sometimes that where is the net and all, because I think to record the video in outdoor is the best decision, because I can explore the things in a much proper way, and even I can show you something that will be basically the new thing, or maybe the interesting thing for you. What do you think? Should I record video in my room or should I record video outside? Yeah, you can comment down your views. I will rethink about your opinion, and I will stand on the final decision that will be, of course, yours. You may think that my energy is quite low today. Yeah, because I woke up early around 3 a.m. and after that I hadn't slept. Yeah, because I was doing some of my tasks, so that is why we have no other option rather than doing hard work, and we will do everything. We will do every possible way to get our goal, to achieve our goal. And we all know that it is not the matter of 1 month, 1 year. It will definitely take around 5 years to achieve what we have dreamt for. So please refocus yourself. If you are not focusing on yourself, please be focused, because whenever you think like you should give up, just think about your family. I don't know that you came from which background, or like you are a middle class family background, or you are the elite person kind of background, but high class family background. But in spite you have the good financial situation, but still you have to work hard, because you have to make something of your own. Okay, the thing that you will trans in front of everyone will be your father, will be your ancestor, but you have to make things some of your own. Actually, I was telling that we have to make something of our own, because we are here to rule. We are here to rule. Just just follow one mantra, that we are born here to rule, so that we can show how the world will narrate in our way. Don't let the world will think about me. Don't let the world, the crowd will control us. We will control the crowd, and it all will happen just by the affirmation, just by the positive mindset, and just by the rigorous hard work. Rigorous hard work will take you to that stage where we are even dreaming today. Yeah, let's hope for the best and keep shining every day. Yeah, so yeah, meeting soon.